In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT TRC20 address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guys and contents like this. Now, in case someone tells you to send him or her your USDT TRC20 wallet address, what you need to do right now, head over to your Trust Wallet, click on this Manage Crypto. So we want to find the USDT TRC20. So I'm going to scroll down, right? I'll go to the option where there is USDT. So right here, the USDT TRC20 means the USDT Tron. So I'm going to on this right now. Once I've on it, I'm going to head back to our Trust Wallet, right? So this is the USDT TRC20. So very careful and watchful of this in case someone tells you to send him or her your USDT TRC20 wallet address. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.